Welcome to the Private Chef Show. I'm Helen Cho with Private Chefs Inc. Today we're hitting the right note as we explore the unique world of cooking for musicians on tour. Catering to artists constantly on the move requires a blend of careful planning, extreme adaptability, and a high touch of creativity. It starts with a deep understanding of dietary restrictions. Before the tour even commences, you must have a clear grasp of the musician's allergies, intolerances, and lifestyle choices, whether that's vegan, gluten-free, or specific performance-based diets. Communication with management is vital to ensuring the menu hits every requirement. Because life on the road is fast-paced, portability is essential. You need to focus on dishes that are easily packed, reheated, and enjoyed on the go. Think sophisticated grain bowls, hearty stews, or specialized pasta salads. Investing in high-quality, airtight storage is a must to keep these nutritional meals fresh for longer periods. Touring is physically demanding, so balancing nutritional needs is non-negotiable. Your role is to incorporate a variety of lean proteins, whole grains, and fresh produce to ensure the artist has sustained energy throughout every performance. To take it to the gold standard, consider collaborating with a nutritionist to create a truly customized meal plan. One of the best parts of touring is the opportunity to embrace local flavors. Use each tour location as inspiration. Incorporate local ingredients and regional culinary traditions into your dishes. This adds a delightful element of surprise and allows the artist to savor the taste of each unique destination. While some musicians still prefer the classic tour bus for their travel, most top-tier performers and bands now move between cities via private jet. This often means the chef will travel on a commercial airliner ahead of the group to ensure everything is prepared before the principal even touches down. In many of these cases, the arrangement involves the chef working directly out of the hotel's professional kitchen where the client is staying, allowing for a seamless transition from flight to first-class meal. Often, touring means working with limited resources. You might not always have a full-scale kitchen, so you must embrace your creativity. Equip yourself with high-end portable tools like induction burners or electric grills, and master recipes that require minimal equipment without sacrificing flavor. Finally, flexibility and communication are your greatest assets. Tour schedules are notoriously unpredictable. By staying in constant contact with the artist's team and being ready to adapt to last-minute changes, you provide the seamless culinary experience that high-profile artists rely on. I'm Helen Cho. Thank you for joining us on the Private Chef Show. To learn more about how we can help you find a chef for your next tour or secure a longtime candidate for your client, visit privatechefsinc.com. We'll see you in the next episode. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more behind-the-scenes insights into the world of estate staffing.